Good morning. I'm just upstream of the bridge at Kakamas, and I just wanted to do a quick update on the river. You can see a container with 99% sure is grapes in that container crossing the bridge. We're in the harvest season, so there's a lot of trucks going around here. I'm going to do my best to keep the wind off the camera. I'm going to quickly play some videos that I received of a fellow YouTuber, Henk Bogaerts from Four Wheeling SA, and then we'll get into the numbers. Right at Waaldam, they're slowing down the outflow slightly, starting to close down some gates. The dam is down to 102%, and it looks like from the projection they will allow it to drop down to about 100%. Bloemhof, they've done quite well at Bloemhof. They've peaked off a inflow into Bloemhof at 1,800 down to an outflow of not more than 1,000 cubic meters per second. The dam is still climbing. It's also at 102%. It looks like they will allow it to climb to 103, 104%, and then they will start to drop down the outflow, but they will still take the dam level down to below 100% according to the current projections. All of that is very, very good news. They're acting fast and they're acting quite well. On the Gariep side, the inflow into Gariep is still around 500 cubic meters per second. The Aliwal Noord plus Oranje dry flows. The Gariep Dam, I wouldn't be surprised, the data is a little bit old, but it was about 99%, and I wouldn't be surprised to hear that it's around 100% and starting to spill in some wisps of water just over the overflow. Van der Kloof is at around 91 or 92%, data is a bit old according to the projection, that is. Then the high flows downstream, just the geometry of the river seems to have slowed down that outflow of water to just below 1,000 cubic meters per second, which is around Prieska at this stage. I have to guesstimate it. Also, the data is also not caught up to date this morning, but around Prieska. So it has started rising at Grootebrink, just above Uppington, and we'll probably see it here in the next 2 days. Arriving to the Grabies probably in 2 days. It will start arriving earlier than that, but the main climbing level 2 days. So down to the farm another 4 or 5 days. Let's say Wednesday, Thursday, around there we'll start seeing it arrive. Anyway, that's just a quick update. We'll see you on the next one. Cheers.